Want to learn how to make money from the comfort of your own home? You're in the right place. Hello, I'm Zach Young, and welcome to Zach Young's Internet Marketing Space, an all-in-one space for those looking to make money online. Here at Zach Young's Internet Marketing Space, we have created the go-to space for all your online marketing needs. Interested in affiliate marketing? We can help. Want to launch your own product? We know what to do. Want to get started freelancing? We can arrange that. We even have content that can help change your mindset to be prepared for success. Whatever your needs, there's bound to be content that will help you get started on a journey that will change your life. However, there are a couple of things that this place is not. We are not a get-rich-quick scheme. The results people see here aren't guaranteed to be replicated for anybody, and results will require lots of focus, discipline, and application. If you aren't willing to put in the time and effort it takes to build passive income, then this is not the place for you. This is also not a place for stagnation. Making money online requires regular learning. If you aren't willing to invest either time or money into your future, I'm afraid we can't help you. Finally, this is a place of objectivity, but not negativity. I personally stand behind every product and service I recommend, and if a product or service doesn't meet my standards, I will not recommend it. If you are looking to make a quick buck by passing on responsibility while providing no value to people, there are more important things for you to get settled at the moment. Here at Zack Young's Internet Marketing Space, we value ethics and integrity with the lessons and tools we provide. If you are willing to take massive action and stay committed, then take a look at what information we have to offer. Enjoy your time with us here today. I'll see you around.